Well, here it is, folks. Christmas is right around the corner. And, you know, one of my favorite things is to sit down at the dinner table, light the candles, and eat the same damn dinner I just ate at Thanksgiving. I'm not even joking here. My mother-in-law insists upon the exact same dinner. I mean, can I get a lamb or a Cornish hen or something? No, same dinner. Everything right down to the sweet potato casseroles. Well, casseroles, I should say, because there's the one that she makes, and then the one that she asks me to bring to compare, of course, to see whose is best. No. The best thing is really is to stand around the Christmas tree, get everybody gathered, and just to get presents and to look at everyone in your family all gathered together and just look at them in the face and think to yourself, by God, this is a who's who of my therapy sessions, isn't it? I have been talking about you bastards all year long! Oh my goodness. Let's give Nana another cocktail and see if we can't start off my next year's sessions with a bang. Oh my gosh. Sometimes she leans into the Christmas tree a little too much. It's alright. Alrighty. DJ, track 2, please.